Hi there, thanks for tuning in to find out more about Digital Catapult's Quantum Technology Access Programme. I'm Pippa Spencer-Williams, Senior Innovation Partner at Digital Catapult. So to get started, I'm going to tell you a little bit more about Digital Catapult for those of you who aren't familiar with us. Digital Catapult is the UK authority on advanced digital technology. We drive the adoption of emerging digital tech within the UK economy, creating new opportunities through collaboration and innovation. And we do this in a number of different ways. Firstly, we design and deliver specialised innovation and acceleration programmes tailored to the market needs and aligned to industry challenges and themes. Secondly, we build testbeds and facilities, so 5G testbeds, immersive labs, to name a few. We run pilots and proof of concepts to really showcase the art of the possible with the technology and test new business models. And we facilitate research and development projects, inform policy recommendations, and lead research on emerging technology trends. And we have a really unique place within the ecosystem. We work right across the ecosystem, right from government and public sector, startups and scale-ups, corporates and industry, investors, academia, and of course, the wider Catapult network. So we break down barriers, de-risk innovation, and responsibly shape the products and services and experiences of the future. And we do that across three different strategic areas: virtual environments, such as the metaverse, digital twins; supply chains, so all about the digitalization of supply chains; digital infrastructure, so Web3, 5G, to name a few. And we work across 5 different technology areas: future networks, so 5G and the Internet of Things; immersive technologies, AR, VR; artificial intelligence and machine learning; distributed ledger technologies and distributed solutions; and quantum technologies. Our goal is to accelerate new possibilities for every business we touch, elevating the digital future of the UK. So Digital Catapult's Technology Access Programme is part of a larger Innovate UK funded project called the Data Centre of the Future. The Data Centre of the Future is exploring how quantum computing will be used in a real world environment. So translating from that lab environment into real world applications within a classical data center. So the Technology Access Programme is part of that, and you'll hear more about that in a bit. So why are we doing this? Well, the data centers are the workhorses of our digital lives. But so far, few have really looked at how quantum technologies can integrate within an existing data center infrastructure. There are already challenges that we face today in terms of the volume of data we have around us that increases exponentially year on year, with new applications coming online, new sensors around us. That brings with it other challenges around security and vulnerability of the data. And of course, implications around climate change. So the more data we produce, the more data centers we have, the more CO2 production that it is causing. So how are we going to cope with this as we have more and more data applications, quantum computing being one of them? And this programme is starting to look at those challenges and how we can address them. As I mentioned, it's part of the Innovate UK funded programme. And we've got a range of consortium partners that we're working with, from universities right through to organisations. Our Technology Access Programme will leverage the expertise of our consortium partners to really bring you the best in class for that programme, and providing you with the specialist knowledge and expertise to help you on your journey. So the Quantum Technology Access Programme aims to showcase the art of the possible of quantum technology, disseminating knowledge and educating end users such as yourselves on the technology and its applications. So how is it relevant to you? Helping drive that commercialization of quantum computing by understanding those real world applications. So how will you use it? How do you envisage it being relevant to your business? And of course, it's delivered in collaboration with our consortium partners. At this point, I'm going to hand over to my colleague, Taras Kovton, who's going to talk to you a bit more about the Technology Access Programme and how you can get involved.
Thank you very much, Pippa, for giving a great overview on Digital Catapult and what we do in quantum computing here at Digital Catapult. So now I would like to tell you more about the Quantum Technology Access Program, or QTAP as we call it here. The Quantum Technology Access Program aims to showcase the capabilities and benefits of quantum computing and showing you how your organization can benefit from it in the future. And we do this via providing training and education on what quantum computing is, what are the core principles and skills required. Together with UK leading industry experts, you will be able to shape and define your use cases and experiment with the technology via quantum simulations and by getting access to the Orca Photonic PT1 computer. So what are the benefits that your organization will get throughout the program? First of all, it's a free structured program with tailored support. And I would like to emphasize on this point, you don't have to pay anything to participate in the program. You'll get access to the expertise in the area, and you'll get access to the experts from Riverlane, Orca, and Digital Catapult. You will develop tailored use cases relevant to your organization and challenges that you have. You will get access to the quantum hardware and software, as well as access to the network of partners to build a strong ecosystem. You will upskill your employees within the organization to become quantum ready and de-risk the future investment in quantum computing later down the line. So altogether, it will give you a chance to get on the front footing by understanding the capabilities and benefits of quantum computing and the timescales for the technology. Now let's dive deeper into the structure of the program. As you can see from the slide, this program is a 5-month program across 20 weeks with 3 weeks break in between for Christmas. It has 4 main phases. First one being onboarding, where you will be introduced to the consortium partners, including specialists from Orca, Riverlane, BT, PQ Shield, and obviously Digital Catapult. You will set your OKRs and develop your technology development plans to understand what you want to achieve throughout the program. You will get the IT induction and tech one-to-one sessions to shape and define your use cases, as well as master classes on where we are with quantum computing today. The next phase of the program is the discovery phase, where you will get education and hands-on training on quantum computing, mostly provided via Black Opal course, as well as experts from Orca, Riverlane, and Digital Catapult. As always, you'll have access to the technical one-to-one sessions. If you don't understand something or you get stuck, we're always here to help you to succeed in the program. You'll have a number of master classes on different topics, on data centers, on quantum cryptography, and other topics to educate yourself around the technology. And most importantly, we'll triage your use cases into 3 work streams. First one being fault tolerance stream, optimization stream, and quantum machine learning, to explore better the areas of the use cases that you have and meet with relevant experts from relevant areas. The third phase of the program is experimentation phase, where you will be able to experiment with the technology while doing quantum simulations and getting access to the Orca Photonic quantum computer. As always, you'll have access to the technical one-to-one sessions with our technologists, and we'll have a networking session for you to share your updates on the progress throughout the programs, achievements that you've got, and just meet the other members of the ecosystem or the peers on the program. Then we'll stop with the Christmas break and follow with the pipe cleaning for our final phase of the program, which is the demonstration. We will showcase the results that you've achieved throughout the program and showcase your use cases that you developed on the program. So all in all, it's going to be a 20-week program with 3 weeks break in between. Don't worry if you miss any of the sessions, you will be able to catch up with our technologists. You'll have a support from Digital Catapult and other members of the consortium. So you don't need to worry about missing any of the sessions, and we'll dive deeper into the commitment to the program and the schedule for that later in the presentation. So by now you may have a question of whether or not your company is relevant to the program. As Digital Catapult, we're targeting companies in different sectors, including automotive, energy and utilities, logistics, advanced manufacturing, and many others. It's not an exhaustive list. The main criteria for us to get you on the program is that you will benefit from the technology. You will benefit from quantum computing, and you will be an end user and use the technology for your benefit. As I mentioned, we will triage the use cases in 3 streams, being computational fluid dynamics, optimization, quantum machine learning. We don't require any specific knowledge of quantum computing. However, in order to be able to run quantum simulations, we ask the participants to have a decent technical aptitude so you can understand the technology and what we are showing you on the program. And your non-technical colleagues will be able to attend masterclasses and workshops throughout the program. If that's of interest to you, our open call is currently live and you can access it via Digital Catapult website. It is live until 11th of August, and you can apply via the following link. In case you have any other questions or you would like to book a one-to-one session with us, please email us at quantum@digicatapult.org.uk, and we'll schedule a call with you and cover all the questions you might have. I would like to cover also the most frequently asked questions throughout the onboarding phase and the recruitment. First of all, I would like to emphasize that this is a free program. You don't have to pay anything to participate. Secondly, in terms and conditions, you will read that there is the state aid regulation, which says that you as a company in the UK are limited to £315,000 of financial support that you can receive via programs like this. If you have any questions regarding this, please do reach out to us and we will be able to help you. The third most important question is the commitment to the program. So as it says on the website, the commitment to the program is 8 to 10 hours per week, with a minimum requirement of 4 hours per week that will provide you with a minimum amount of time to be able to successfully go through the program and learn and develop your use cases. The other frequently asked question that we have is when does the program start? The start of the program is scheduled for the 18th of September 2023, and the program aims to finish at around the beginning of February. I want to emphasize that the program is structured with many stakeholders involved. Therefore, there is no possibility to run the program in a different time or run it in a shorter timeline. So please be mindful about this. And if you have any other questions, please, as I said, reach out to us at quantum@digicatapult.org.uk, and we'll be able to cover all of your questions. Thank you very much.